In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to merge and compare in Google Sheets. So we're going to do this through an add-on, through Power Tools, and we're going to go ahead and hit merge and compare here. This is very important because every single Monday you'll be doing this for every NOD or NTS list that we have in our Google Sheets to go ahead and update the information for sell date, postponement reason, and foreclosure stage. And through comparing sheets, it's going to allow us to find any that we missed in the previous week. So merging sheets is going to go ahead and update our foreclosure stage, sell date, and postponement reason. And our comparing is going to go ahead and basically show us any new leads that we may have missed within the last week. So to go ahead and do this, we need to go ahead and find our Tulare County auction list in Property Radar. So we're going to go ahead and go to Property Radar. We're going to make sure we're in the arbitrage setting. We are then going to go to Transfer Search. Let's go ahead and log in again one more time. Okay, back from the top, let's go ahead and make sure we're in the arbitrage setting. Okay, go to Transfer Search, then go to Saved, go to our Saved Searches, and we need to find our Tulare County auction list. Luckily, it's on top for us here. What's very important to notice is that there is black, click to see all results, and there is blue, click to see only new results. Every Monday, we are only clicking the black ones because we only want to see, the new results, for the entire list. So if we go ahead and click the black, it's going to go ahead and let us know every auction property that is in Tulare County. If we go ahead and hit the blue, it's only going to show us the new results from the last time that we looked at the sheet. So every Monday, we're going to go ahead and click the black so we can go ahead and see all results for all auction properties in Tulare County. So there are only 6 for the criteria that we have. We're going to go ahead and select all, go to Marketing, Export, hit All Records, and export that out. We're then going to go to Excel, and that sheet should pop up shortly. Okay, let's go ahead and try to re-download it again and see if that works. Perfect, so it came up. So in our Excel sheet, we're going to go ahead and make sure our data format is all correct. We're going to make sure nothing funky is going on. Looks like all of our dates are correct here. Looks like we don't have to change anything. Perfect, okay. We're going to go ahead and copy rows 1 through 7 because those are our list from Property Radar. We are then going to go back to our Tulare County list. We're going to add a new sheet, and then we're going to copy and paste those records into that new sheet. So now we have all of our data to be able to merge and update our current fields in the master sheet. So what we're going to go ahead and do is hit Add-ons. We're going to go to Power Tools, hit Merge and Combine. We are then going to go to Merge Sheets. We are always going to start off on our master sheet, guys, okay? And then we're going to hit Select Range. You always want to hit Auto Select. It's going to go ahead and select everything in your sheet. We're going to hit Next. So the lookup sheet is going to be the one we are trying to get the information from to go on our master sheet to update our master sheet. So it's the one we just went ahead and put data in for sheet 5. We're going to go ahead and auto select again. We will then hit Next. So select matching columns, key columns to compare. Okay, we're going to go ahead and deselect everything. So we're going to select all, then deselect it. We are then going to go to address and select it that way. So these are the columns that we're going to be updating. So the columns that we are updating are foreclosure stage, sell date, and postponement reason. So these are going to, so from sheet 5, postponement reason, sell date, and foreclosure stage is going to update the records in the master sheet if those records are found. So we're going to go ahead and hit next. So we're going to update only empty and new cells in the main table, update only if the cells from the lookup table contain data. This time we're going to go ahead and hit update only if the cells from the lookup table contain data, because it's going to go ahead and give us all the information, you know, the sell date, the foreclosure stage, and the postponement reason, if it matches in the master sheet on sheet 1. So we're going to go ahead and hit finish. Wait for it to process. Perfect. So 5 of the 6 matching rows were found. So 5 of the 6 on the master sheet were found in the new sheet on sheet 5, and they were updated. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. That's fantastic. And now it's time to compare. So when we go ahead and compare, it's going to allow us to see if we missed any within the previous week. So it's going to give us any new records that are not on the master sheet. So when we go to compare, we always start off on the second sheet, guys. We never start off on the master sheet, because on sheet 5, it's going to go ahead and delete all of the duplicates found in the master sheet and only leave us with the ones that are new or haven't been inputted into the master sheet. So we're going to go ahead and go to dedupe and compare. We're going to compare 2 sheets. Like I said, we're always going to start off on that second sheet, guys. Hit auto select. Next. And then secondly, we will go ahead and go to our master sheet. Hit auto select. Hit next. We are trying to find duplicate values. So anything in sheet 5 that's already in the master sheet, we'll go ahead and delete out of sheet 5 and only leave us with the new leads. We'll go ahead and hit next. Select the columns to compare. We're going to compare by address, because if the address matches, then that means there's a duplicate in the master sheet. So we're going to go ahead and hit next again. We're going to go ahead and hit delete rows within selection. So it's going to go ahead and delete any records, any leads out of sheet 5 that are already in the master sheet. So we're going to go ahead and hit finish. So there was one new lead within the last week that we may have missed, and that's the reason why we go ahead and compare every Monday, guys, along with merge sheets. So we just go ahead and hit copy. We'll bring this into our sheet here, hit paste, and now we know we have to go ahead and enter data for that new lead. So we go ahead and do that every Monday, and that is how you merge and compare in Google Sheets.